I believe that this stove is way better than Msr Pocket Rocket Deluxe and Win Master. Despite my apprehension about Dan Baker and Steve from My Life Outdoors potentially hear this, but the facts speak for themselves. The name of this stove is Camping Moon XD2F. I know it's not the best name for the stove, but it's way better than the competitors. First of all, the price is unbeatable. At only $25, it undercutting even Soto Amicus. The upper part of the stove looks a lot like a Win Master. You have this same shape combustion zone and the really similar pot stands, but in this case they're a bit more durable. It's easy to unfold and fold back, no problem with this. You just need like 1 second for that. The lower part is more like Msr Pocket Rocket Deluxe. You can see fully metal covered piezo igniter, and the gas control valve is bigger than in Win Master, but really similar to the Msr Pocket Rocket Deluxe, and it's noticeably better. Why is it better? The answer is easy. It's faster, more efficient, cheaper, and more durable. That's it. Also, the valve movement is a bit bigger than competitors have, so it's possible to control better the gas smoothness, and it's easier to pick the right position for your cooking process. And sometimes it's quite necessary to have the right spot, especially when you're using ultralight dishes, pots, etc., like where they have really thin metal, and it's crucial to find the perfect spot for the gas power. The other thing which is really good with this stove is the case. Usually you have with your stove just a regular piece of fabric bag, but in this case you have a really solid with the handle, and it's quite durable case. You can like separate the stove from the stands, put stands over there like this, or you can even take out this part and put it later, fold like this and put inside this case, and it's protected and it's easy to carry. And I like this case. It could be lighter, but in this case it could be lighter, but with it we will lose the durability of it, so it's a few more grams. For me it's not a problem. Now let's talk about performance. Is it better than the competitors? Yes, in almost every case. So for example, Camping Moon needs to boil 1 liter of the water in perfect conditions, where I mean like almost without wind. Only 3 minutes 16 seconds. And it spends 15 milligrams of the gas. While Pocket Rocket Deluxe in the same conditions spends 3 minutes 27 seconds and 15 grams, 0.4 milligrams. So it's faster and more efficient. In case with Win Master, it spends 4 minutes 30 seconds, but it's a bit more efficient with the gas. It's only 13.34 milligrams. So it's a bit more efficient, but in this case you just can control your stove and spend less gas, but spend more time and have the same result as Win Master. But in the wind condition, Camping Moon is even better. You can boil 1 liter of water in about like 4 minutes, while Msr will take 5 and Soto will take 6 minutes. Why is that? Because it's better, I told you. Why I like these stands better than Msr stands? Well, it's easy because you can easily put both size pots on it. I mean like big one and the smaller one, which is like really narrow. You can just do like this and put something small like some coffee maker or a small mug, and there will be no problem with it. Also, the distance from the combustion zone to the pot is thinner, so in this case it will be protected from the wind better, not like in the Msr case. So that's the reason I like these pots better than Msr. Is there any weak points with this stove? I think yes, it's the heaviest from all of these competitors. It weighs 97 grams, while MSR weighs 83 grams and Soda Windmaster weight 87 grams. So it's not that huge, it's like 10 grams, but for some ultralight hiking guys, it could be like really important. In this case, it's not their option, but in my case, it's very efficient, very durable, and very cheap. So in my world, this one is the best. I'm sorry, Dan Baker, and I'm sorry, Steve from My Life Outdoors and Justin Outdoors. I'm sorry to tell you, but there is another option and it's better than your choice. Thank you.